Hello, welcome to my website, which is a photo journal of my life. I've always been into journaling, and I've kept a pretty good written record of my life all through my childhood and teenage years, but I realized that I have a lot of documentation about my life in the form of pictures, and I wanted somewhere to compile all of those for posterity and for my own amusement. And this has been a really fun project for me to work on. It's been challenging because this isn't really a blog, and it's not a website for the purpose of showcasing work even, really, or purchasing things, selling things. And so it was kind of unique, and a lot of the things that we did in class weren't really applicable, but I have learned a ton about WordPress, and so I think I can go from here and make this exactly what I want it to be in the future. But the hardest part was creating all the posts with individual pictures and making sure all of the small details were correct and uniform and accurate on all the posts. So that was a little bit tedious, but I found some shortcuts and that's made it helpful. But yeah, here's my homepage with a picture of my family and an arrow pointing to me. And then we have 4 pictures representing the 4 different phases of life that I've decided to categorize all the pictures into: childhood, tweener years, teenage years, and adulthood, which will probably eventually need to be further broken down. But I'll show you around a little bit. And I apologize for my slow internet. Here I have some posts of me as a child. And if you click on individual posts, they show a little bit more. The pictures are bigger, and then I tell who's in the picture and what I can remember about where we were and what we were doing, and that way it becomes more of a journal. It's so fun. So then I have tweener years, which we'll go over quickly because they're kind of the most awkward years of my life. And then teenage years. And adulthood. So I still have a lot of work to do on this. I have so many pictures, but I'm excited to keep working on it and to get it just the way I want it for posterity, basically.